Welcome back, friends. Did you know that we can use our hand in so many different ways to make fun drawings? Let's begin with the dinosaur. Let's draw its pointy teeth, followed by its neck with stripes, and then semicircular scales on its back. Using a dark green marker, we will first border it and then we will fill it up with lime green inside. We will fill up the scales too and then add spots on its body and light pink for the neck. How was it? Let's trace the hand again by keeping the pinky and the thumb a little apart. Now let's join them and make an eye. Make some pointy teeth. You must have now got it what we are up to. Let's make the fins. Border the up part of it in navy blue and then fill it up also for the tail. Now that's coming up to be a really scary shark. But I totally love it. It's so cute. And coloring it is so much fun. Border with grey for the lower part and done. With the fingers folded and the pinky and the thumb sticking out, trace the hand. We are making a fish, so draw an eye and add a tail. Now let's add some details to the fins to make them look pretty. Add some bubbles, make some seaweeds, and now it's time to color the fish. Yellow for its head, pink for its body, and blue for its tail. A colorful fish. Finally, the green seaweeds. Good job! Now can you guess what we are up to in this drawing? Looks like 2 ears, right? Now 2 hands are forming and a body with feet. It has a pair of bright eyes, a cute smile and a teeny tiny nose. Still no guesses? Let's give it some rosy cheeks and color it. Maybe then you will be able to guess what we are drawing. Using my yellow marker, I am going to color it in all yellow. Remember the short, chubby rodent Pokemon? Pikachu! Now we will draw a cat, tracing our hand just like so. Let's draw 2 small ovals for the eyes, a cute mouth and an oval nose. And don't forget to add its whiskers. Now we will make its body. And here comes the tail. Time to add the details. Draw the paws, add a belt around the neck, color the ears pink, add rosy cheeks, and done. So that's all for today. Until next time, bye.